Hi, I'm Nick Brown with MobilityTRANS. I've been selling paratransit vehicles for 20 years, and about a year ago we started implementing the ALFO floor. It's been a great floor, easy to install. Customers love the versatility of the floor system. You can move seats around where you need them. You don't need to worry about predetermined ADA locations for wheelchair tie-downs. You can place them anywhere in the vehicle that you need them. It's been a great floor, well received by our customers, and well received by our install techs too. They love installing it. It's a lot easier to do, and we can do it in a lot quicker time.
Hi, I'm Justin here at MobilityTRANS, the Quality Assurance Manager. We run our assembly line with 16 positions. The ALFO floor system is proven to be something that we can use in that system. We always strive for high quality products, made in America products. That's what you have here. It's a very durable floor. It's not gonna rust out. It's gonna last forever probably. It'll probably outlast the rest of the van, to be honest with you. Traditionally, with our floor system, you're gonna have a seat that's nut and bolt, stationary to the floor. You're never gonna be able to move it. You have to choose where you want it, and you're stuck with that forever unless you wanna unbolt it and drill new holes. Within 1 minute, we can move a seat anywhere we want. Something you'd never have in a traditional flooring system.